since we came down below levels that I have charted, I'm gonna make a part 2 to BITX, Bitcoin ETF stock. If you watched the first part of this video, I hope you guys were a part of this buying right here at this support on the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see on the daily time frame, we held this support right here till we finally rejected and broke down into a continuation of a downtrend that started up here at this death cross. We rejected this zone, came down, extended, retraced, bear flag back down for continuation. On a daily time frame, if you saw that this was extended, this would have been a perfect buying opportunity at 24.19 for a quick scalp or a quick day trade. But as you can see, we rejected from this Fibonacci retracement here on Friday. So we can have either a consolidation in this zone, or this could be the continuation to a rejection that leads to another bear flag down on the daily time frame. So right now I'm just going to chart out the next possible levels. This can be an obvious support, as you can see it play it out here. As you can see, we rejected here and we were support here also. So if we was to come down off of this rejection, a consolidation and a hold of this level for a bounce higher can be possible. But if not, it could be looking to retest this 24.19 level, as you can see. Next support, I like this. I like this as a support. As you can see, I made the support here, but we have some reaction as resistance in this zone. A little support right here, nothing too crazy. The stock is fairly new. Let me see something. Let me go to the 10-year, see if there's any levels. Yeah, there's no levels prior to there. So I don't want to just put too much of nothing. I like how we held this level here. Like how we held that level there. Yeah. So if you believe in BTC and you can't afford BTC, this is BTC's ETF, BITX. And these are the next level of supports that I have. Do your own research, do your own charting. And I'm gonna leave the part 1 to this part 2 video in the description so you can take a look for yourself. I like this support right here also. This support right here acted as resistance and support in the zone right here. So if you believe in BTC, you can't afford BTC, you could take a look at the ETF, BITX, and see for yourself. Let me see. I like this resistance here, acted as support right here at 26.49. I did it here, good reaction there, good reaction here, great reaction there. Let's see what it looked like on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we held. We hit the bottom of this trend right here. Like we're trying to head for the top part of this downtrend here. Some good consolidation. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the part 1 video to this part 2 in the description. You can take a look for yourself at the date and time I charted the original video and how we respected all the levels that I had made when I first opened up this chart just now. You've seen everything just sitting here already. So